Garlic is one of the most commonly used herbs in the kitchen. But why is garlic so good? Garlic contains complex carbohydrates and proteins that improve both your physical performance and mental health. Garlic is also high in vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin B, sodium, potassium, magnesium and allicin. Drinking garlic in water each day can have many health benefits. Garlic can help improve your digestive system. Better digestion will keep all the digestive disorders at bay. It can also be very helpful in making you lose weight. Garlic is actually high in calories, up to 100 calories per 100 grams. However, no one consumes that much garlic, so it is nearly impossible to gain weight eating garlic alone. The combination of raw garlic and water helps detoxify your body. It clears your body of all the harmful toxins, and helps prevent diseases like diabetes, depression and cancer. Consuming raw garlic helps reduce blood glucose levels of the body. It keeps check on your sugar levels and prevents the risk of diabetes. Garlic is one of the best home remedies to fight colds and flu. Taking garlic with water every day will help prevent the risk of becoming infected. Garlic can boost your immune system and reduce severity of colds and flu. It can also combat upper respiratory infections. In its raw form, garlic is aromatic, pungent, and spicy. You can feel the benefit of garlic with one small bite of a raw clove. This makes it ideal for treatment of colds and flu. Garlic is a stimulating diaphoretic, it helps your body warm up. Garlic also helps relieve congestion in both the lungs and sinuses. Garlic also does something that antibiotics cannot. Garlic can increase your immune system activity. It can increase the natural killer cells of the immune system. Garlic also helps lower bad cholesterol in the body, protecting your heart by preventing cardiovascular diseases. It also helps regulate the body's blood pressure. Garlic contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatories, which assist in cardiovascular health. Garlic basically helps improve the function of many important body organs. The other benefit of garlic is it's cheap to buy and easy to obtain. Making the garlic water drink is very easy. Make sure that the garlic you use each day is always raw and fresh. Garlic powder and cooked garlic don't have the same beneficial effects. The fresher the garlic, the better. Ingredients: 1 glass of water and 1 clove of garlic. Directions: firstly, crush 1 clove of garlic and let it sit for 15 minutes. The 15-minute waiting period allows the enzyme, alliinase, to convert allene into allicin. This is responsible for the aroma and activity of fresh garlic. The waiting period will increase the potency of the garlic. After 15 minutes, place the crushed garlic in the water. Stir well, then drink the entire contents. If you want to reduce the garlic taste, you can always add a spoonful of honey. Honey has many additional health benefits too. Considerations: just be mindful of the following. Some people are allergic or sensitive to garlic and should avoid it. Moderate amounts can sometimes cause digestive upset, for example gas and bloating. It is commonly believed that garlic can thin the blood. If you are taking any medications that thin blood, please consult your doctor beforehand.